to say, oh, what you guys do ain't that hard. But what if there's a problem? A lot of heating and air guys will not even work on DIY stuff. If they find out that it was installed by a DIYer, by the homeowner themselves, by their brother-in-law, by a handyman, they won't work on it. I'm probably going to ruffle some feathers here. I'm one of them. When I owned my company, if it was a DIY product, it was too much liability. We wouldn't touch it. We had homeowners that would call us and say, yeah, I bought one of these things online. I installed it and it lasted a week and I need you to come fix it. And I'd say, nope. You thought what we did is easy. You go fix it now.